Hello everyone, welcome to Master Azerbaijani Word of the Day. Today is fun day, meaning slang day. The word is Başdansovdu. Başdan sovdu. Başdansovdu can mean sloppy, half-hearted, or careless. Let's see some phrases. A sloppy job, a half-hearted effort, a careless approach. Let's see. Başdansovdu iş, job, work. A half-hearted effort, başdansovdu cəhd, trying to do something, effort. Başdansovdu yanaşma is approach. It comes from the infinitive form of yanaşmak, to approach. Let's use this in some sentences. Bu başdansovdu iş bizi geciktirdi. This sloppy job delayed us. Bu başdansovdu. Technically başdansovdu, if you take it apart, baştan from the head, sovdu comes from the infinitive form sovurmak, means to blow out or to be blown away. So you see what does that mean, right? Sloppy job, blown out of the head. So bu başdansovdu iş, the sloppy job. Bizi, us. Gecikdirdi, delayed. It comes from the infinitive form gecikmek, to be late, to be delayed. Geciktirdi, delayed us. Let's see another sentence. O layihəyə başdansovdu yanaşdı. He or she approached the project carelessly. Layihə, the project. Layihəyə, to the project, means you came to the project, approached the project. Yanaşdı, approached, comes from infinitive form yanaşmak, to approach. All right? That was today's word, başdansovdu. You can use it something like, whenever I ask them to do something, I get başdansovdu results and end up doing the whole thing myself. You know who I'm talking about. Yes, I'm talking about you. They know who they are. Thanks for watching. Come back tomorrow for a new word. Until then, check masterazerbaijani.com for more.